What is the best business line of credit in 2022? Small business line of credit can help you meet your funding need as they change over time. They can be especially helpful for business owners who know they will need funding at various points in the future but are not sure when. It is a flexible funding solution that's best suited to short term business needs for items like suppliers or payroll. What is a business or commercial lines of credit used for? Small business line of credit are commonly used to pay for short term business needs like payroll costs, buying new inventory, or dealing with temporary business hardship. They are not used for long term business needs like purchasing expensive equipment or buying real estate. A business line of credit works by allowing you to borrow money during a draw period, which can last as long as 5 years. You pay little or nothing until you borrow money, and at that point, you will enter into a repayment period. Here are some of the pros and cons of using a business line of credit. Best unsecured business line of credit, Wells Fargo. Why we like it? Wells Fargo offers two different unsecured business line of credit depending on how long you have been in business. Its business line of credit is for business that have been established for at least 2 years, and it offers a higher borrowing amount. 100,000 New Year business can apply for its small business advantage line of credit, which only lets you borrow up to 50,000 but also comes with no annual fees. For smaller, less than 10,000 line of credit, unlike the business line account, the small business advantage account notes a specific term of 5 years for its revolving line of credit. Drawbacks: all business owners receive a MasterCard that they can use to access their funds in addition to online transfer and checks. But if you are approved for the business line of credit, there will be a 3% fee to use this card in addition, while you will not owe interest unless you draw from your line of credit. There is an annual fee up to 175 that you will have to pay for your line of credit. Best business line of credit for startup fundings. Why we like it? Many lenders only work with established business, which can make getting funding harder. If you are a startup, Fundex is different and works with a business that have at least 3 months of business transaction history in a business checking account. Drawbacks: Fundbucks has a very short repayment period, either 12 24 weeks, with the weekly payment and an interest rate that change depending on which option you select. The 24 weeks is more expensive than the 12 weeks. In addition, it's best to wait to apply until you know you will need your first draw. As Fundbox states that if you do not draw funds at least once close to the date you are approved, we may need to close your account. Best business line of credit for poor credit credibility. Why we like it? Getting approved for a business line of credit can be difficult if you don't have great credit. Credibility offers multiple line of credit products through its lending partner network. Some lenders require only a minimum personal credit score of just 560. Drawbacks: you may be required to pay an origination fee for your business line of credit, but it is possible to negotiation with the lender to have the fee waived. Credibility does not specify its minimum interest rate, but if you have poor credit, you should expect higher interest rates, as it is common practice to charge borrowers with poorer credit a higher interest rate. Credibility specifics terms of 26 weeks on its website, but there are other terms available according to a credibility representative. Best business line of credit for fast funding on deck. Why we like it? If you need funding fast on deck, it is one of the quickest option. After your request a draw, the company claims that can instantly transfer the funds into your account, likely with a wire transfer, even night and weekends. In addition, once you draw from your business line of credit, you don't have to hit the pause button on future draw until you pay it all off, as you may have to with some other lends. You can borrow against right away as long as you have available credit left. Drawbacks: while one deck is fast, you pay for that convenience with a much higher interest rate. Even if you are a stellar applicant, the lowest rate you could be charges is 35.9% APR. That's far higher than the interest rate that most bank charges for business loans. On Dex line of credit, customers receive an average 47.14% APR. Credit: the process to qualify for a line of credit will depend on the requirements of individual lenders, but there are some common standards. The following information is crucial to qualifying for a good line of credit with good terms. Good credit score typically above 600. Strong cash receivers are strong cash followers. Age of business and length of time your business has been profitable. Well constructed business plan. While the specific requirements differ from lender to lender, lender will likely take the above factor into consideration. We recommended business first apply for a line of credit with a traditional lender like a bank. Bank will often give the most competitive rates, but have longer application processing time